Hello, you're watching HW News. In a major announcement before the release of its manifesto for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, the Congress party today announced that it will provide rupees 72,000 under its minimum basic income guarantee scheme for India's 20% most poor families. Now, addressing a press conference, Rahul Gandhi said that if Congress comes to power, 20% of the poorest families will receive rupees 72,000 every year directly into their bank accounts under the minimum income guarantee scheme. He further stated that if an individual's income is below the mark, then the party will help. This will be a fiscally prudent scheme, the Congress chief has added. The working committee of the Congress discussed the party's manifesto for the Lok Sabha elections and gave a final shape to it. The working committee, which is the party's highest decision-making body, will give a final go-ahead of the manifesto. Now let us hear what Rahul Gandhi had said.
तो आपने काफी सवाल मुझसे पूछे हैं। जहां भी मैं जाता हूं, युवा, जनता, किसान, मजदूर मुझसे पूछते हैं ये आमदनी की लाइन, मिनिमम आमदनी की लाइन क्या होगी और इस स्कीम की स्ट्रेंथ क्या होगी, ये स्कीम मतलब कितने लोगों को मदद करेगा। तो मैं ये आपको, हिंदुस्तान की जनता को, हिंदुस्तान के गरीबों से कहना चाहता हूं, लाइन 12,000 रुपए महीने की होगी। हां, सरप्राइज हुए ना आप, शॉक हुए ना। मतलब इतना पैसा हिंदुस्तान में भाई और बहनों है। तो कांग्रेस पार्टी गारंटी करती है कि हिंदुस्तान के 20% सबसे गरीब परिवारों को, शॉक मत होना, अभी धमाका बजने जा रहा है, 20% सबसे गरीब परिवारों को हर साल 72,000 रुपए देने जा रही है। फिर से कहता हूं, एक साल में 20% सबसे गरीब परिवारों को, हर जात, हर धर्म, हर भाषा के गरीब परिवारों को 72,000 रुपए साल के उनके बैंक अकाउंट में सीधा डाल दिया जाएगा। अगर नरेंद्र मोदी जी हिंदुस्तान के सबसे अमीर लोगों को पैसा दे सकते हैं, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी देश के सबसे गरीब लोगों को पैसा दे सकती है। अब आप याद रखिए, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, राजस्थान में मैंने वायदा किया था 10 दिन कर्जा माफ होगा। मैं आपको यहां वायदा कर रहा हूं, न्याय होगा। 20% परिवारों को साल का 72,000 रुपए मिलेगा। स्कीम फेज्ड बेसिस पे चलेगा, फेज तरीके से होगा, पायलट प्रोजेक्ट चलेगा, उसके बाद स्कीम चलेगा। मगर कांग्रेस पार्टी का वायदा है न्याय देने का। फिर से दोहराता हूं, भाई और बहनों, देश के युवाओं, 72,000 रुपए साल के 20% सबसे गरीब परिवारों को।
Well, that was the Congress chief expressing his confidence in the scheme and calling it an extremely powerful, extremely dynamic, extremely well thought idea. He further said that they have done all the calculations, they have spoken to economists, and they are calling this a groundbreaking idea. He termed this big announcement as a final assault on poverty. Now, the meeting was chaired by Congress chief Rahul Gandhi and attended by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, senior leaders such as Priyanka Gandhi, Ahmed Patel, Ghulam Nabi Azad, Mallikarjun Kharge, A.K. Antony. The party manifesto is being framed by a committee headed by P. Chidambaram. At the press conference, the Congress president further said that P. Chidambaram and others on the manifesto committee will give the final detail of the minimum income support scheme. The Congress has already launched an exercise to involve people from different sections of the society and has held several rounds of consultation with them to include their views in the manifesto. It has also launched an online portal to seek the views of people and their expectations from the Grand Old Party ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. The top party leader have also promised to make the manifesto a comprehensive document that will include views of all the sections of the society. For more news updates, log on to www.hwnews.in. Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.